In this next section, I'm going to talk about background information. So what is background information? Basically, background information sets the scene and it sets the overarching picture for what the experience is. So here you're giving the background information that allows the member to really know what we're going to be talking about during this experience, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Before I do that, I want to talk a little bit about how to do that. You just hit the edit button, and when you're in here, we call this the writer or the applet, and it's just like a simple word thing that we're all used to doing in a document. Over here, this is the size of your print. You have bold and underline. Railway, what that is the font that you might use. Under recent color, you have two different things. You have, this is a background, and this is actually the color of the lettering that you're using. You can put bullet points, you can put numbers, you can set the paragraph left or right and justify it in the different places on the page. The next thing I'll cover is link. If I wanted to put a link in here, I can link out to a website or whatever other thing that I'm trying to do. And then we'll talk about a picture. You can add a picture from your files from your computer if you want to, or add a video. So I'm going to start here by adding a video, and what this video will be is the first part, the creating, the first part, the title, and the creating the experience. And I'm going to add that in here, and you can see create an experience, and that is the first part of when I show you how to use the writer and to go in and create the title and add the picture. So I'm going to minimize this, and I'm going to go in here, and I have a Word document here like I showed you before, and I'm just going to copy this, and this is just talking about the experiences here and what they are. So I'm going to put this text in here, and I'm just going to go in here and paste it below that video. Now you'll see it's kind of small, and so what I'm going to do here is I want this to be a little bit bigger and a little bit more pronounced, so I'll come up here and I'll just make it bigger. And let's just say maybe I want to bold it in there, and I need a space right here, so let's put that. I'm going to end up adding another video below this, but I'm not to that yet. So I'm going to go ahead and make this also a little bit bigger in this section. So you can see it's a pretty simple thing to use and how we use it, and you can put pictures, and you'll see the applet or the writer throughout Convene all over the place. That's the next section on the background information. And so, for example, right here, this could be a great background information. I'm giving you a video, I'm giving you some text, so I'm going to submit that. You'll see that part disappears off our to-do list, and you'll see this is what it will look like. But let's just say I want to do one more thing. Let's just say there's a document that I want to add. I can come on here and I can click on this, and I can go to my files. I'm going to my desktop, and I have a sharing experience ebook that I'm going to add in here, and I'm just going to click on that. It'll add right there, and then that is now in the section. You'll see the Word document. So you can add JPEGs, you can add Word documents, you can add PowerPoint briefs, you can add PDFs. So anything that might assist your users in taking the experience, you can add in this section. All right, I appreciate you watching this video, and we'll move on to the next section.